Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Richland County, northern Morrow County, southeastern Crawford County, until 9 p.m. At 7:54 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Crestline to 7 miles south of Galion to near Mount Gilead, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Galion, Ontario, Lexington, Crestline, Belleville, Butler, Lucas, Iberia and Chalk.